Hello, my name is Kenzo, and in this video, you will acquire English naturally by watching, listening, and following along as I play Minecraft Hardcore. So far, we've survived 47 days, and it's nighttime, so I'm going to sleep. It's morning! In the last video, I got this happy ghast. And in this video, there's a zombie. And in this video, I want to build a barn and collect some animals. So far, I've got some chickens in the house, and I've got some sheep, some yellow sheep, in this hole. Uh-oh. Die, die. My cherry grove trees have grown. Lots of monsters. Die, die. I need my shield again. Oh no. There are lots of zombie villagers around here. I want to build the barn right here, next to my house. So I'm going to start by getting my shovel and digging up all of this dirt so it's flat. Let's dig. I need a diamond shovel. A diamond shovel would be much faster. Well, my shovel broke. Let's build a diamond shovel. How many diamonds do we have? We have 5 diamonds. Let's use one of them to build a diamond shovel. Ooh, and I'll also enchant it. So let's get 1 piece of lapis lazuli. Let's build some sticks, and with the sticks and 1 diamond, let's build a diamond shovel. And now let's enchant it. Let's put the diamond shovel in the enchanting table along with the lapis lazuli. And let's get... Oh, I need 2 lapis lazuli. Let's get 1 more. There we go. Now we have 2 lapis lazuli. So we can get this level 2 enchantment. Let's do it. Efficiency 2. All right, let's use this enchanted shovel to dig up this dirt. Much faster. Almost done. And there we go. I dug up all of the dirt, and now it's flat. So we'll build the barn right here. There's lots of space for the animals. I'm going to need some fences. Here I have 48 bamboo fences. Let's take these, and let's build the barn out of bamboo. Let's take this bamboo. Let's make some bamboo planks. I'm going to fill in this hole with dirt, and take these flowers, and I'll break this grass. There we go. I've cleared out the area. Now, let's get our blocks of bamboo. I'm going to go up 3 blocks here. 1, 2, 3. And I'll go up 3 blocks right here. 1, 2, 3. These will be the corners. Right here, we'll go up 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3. And our final corner will be right here. 1, 2, 3. I'm also going to place some blocks of bamboo here in the middle. Let's place 2 more. 1, 2. And some on this side. Right here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the sun's going down, so let's go to sleep. Close the door, and let's go to sleep. Ooh, our baby chickens have grown. And look at all of these eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 eggs here. Let's pick them up. Now we've got 12 eggs. 12 eggs total. Let's get some more seeds. And let's breed more chickens. More baby chickens. I'm going to build some of these bamboo stairs for the roof. Up here, I'll place some bamboo planks. And now I'll get the stairs And I'll place the stairs up there, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this block is in the middle. I'm going to place more bamboo here in the middle. Now I'm going to get some fences. And let's start placing some fences. Ooh, I ran out of fences. I need to build some more fences. All right, I built more fences. Let's continue placing fences. And let's place some here. There we go. And I'm going to break these fences on the corners. And I'll replace them with blocks of bamboo. Let's get some torches, and let's place some torches. There we go. I placed torches all around the barn, and I think I want to plant some bamboo on the roof of the barn. So I'm going to get some dirt, and I'll place dirt up on the roof. Dirt! All right, I finished placing dirt up on the roof. The sun's going down, so again, I'm going back home to go to sleep. Okay, our barn is almost finished. Let's see. I'll need space for chickens, cows, pigs, sheep. Anything else? Chickens, pigs, cows, sheep. I think that's it. So we need 4 different areas. I'll place some fences here and some fences here. Now we have space for chickens, cows, sheep, and pigs. Now let's build some fence gates. I built 4 fence gates. I'll break these fences. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll replace them with the fence gates. Like this. There we go. Now we can go in and out. And I'll place a torch here and a torch here. Okay, this barn is ready for animals. Let's start with our yellow sheep. Let's get our wheat. Okay, I'll break this dirt. Come on, sheep. Come on. Follow me. Let's put our sheep in here. Let's open the gate. Let's open the gate. Come on, sheep. And the sheep are coming in. Come on, sheep. There we go. We got 3 sheep in here. 1 more. There we go. We got all of the sheep in here. And let's quickly close the gate. I closed the gate, so they're trapped in here. And now we can breed more sheep. More yellow sheep. And let's shear these sheep. We're going to collect a lot of yellow wool. Okay, now let's get our chickens that are inside the house. Let's open the door. Come on, chickens. This way. I have a lot of chickens. Let's put the chickens in here. Open. And there we go. There we go. We got all of the chickens in here. Now let's breed more chickens with our seeds. More baby chickens. There we go. Lots of baby chickens. Now we have sheep and chickens here in the barn. Let's go search for cows and pigs. Ooh, but it looks like the sun is going down, so first, let's go to sleep. Sleep. And it's morning. Day 51. Let's go search for some cows and pigs. Oh, here are some cows. We found some cows. I'll get my wheat. Cows love wheat. Now the cows are following me. Let's go back to the house. And the cows will go in here. Open. Come on, cows. Let's close the gate and let's breed these cows. There you go. And they're kissing. And a baby cow. A baby cow. Now we just need some pigs for here. Let's go search for some pigs. Oh, that's a sheep. We don't need more sheep. We need pigs. Oh, another sheep. Let's shear this white sheep. White wool. Another white sheep. More white wool. Oh, it's raining again. Here's a pig. Pigs love carrots. Oh, 2 pigs. Now, these pigs are following me because I have a carrot. Now, let's go back home. There's my house. We're getting closer. Come on, pigs. Whoa! Another pig. There are 2 different kinds of pigs here. This pig is a jungle pig. A jungle pig. Okay, here we're going to have to swim across the water. Let's go, pigs. This is going to take a while. The pigs are really slow swimmers. Come on, pigs. Almost there. Almost there. Come on. Yes! Let's go. This way. And the pigs will go in here. Open. Come on, pigs. Come on. Come on, pigs. 1. We got 1 pig in here. In here. There we go. We got all 3 pigs in here. Now we've got cows, sheep, chickens, and pigs. It's nighttime. Let's go to sleep. And I'm going to end this episode right here. If you're enjoying these videos, you could make a donation on my Ko-Fi page by clicking up here. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.